With the Senate divided 51 to 49, President Trump's announcement will launch what is expected to be an incredibly contentious confirmation fight as Democrats pull out all the stops to try and block the effort. And any Republican defections could doom the nominee. So joining us now, Chairman of the National Bar Association PAC, Scott Bolden, and former advisor to President George W. Bush, Brad Blakeman. We go from Blake Berman to Brad Blakeman. Let me start with you, Brad, because I was worried about that tongue twister. Can the Democrats really stop this if they don't like the nominee?
No, they can't. Look, they made their bed. Now they have to lie in it. Harry Reid changed the rules when they were in charge. The rules have been changed back. Simple majority is needed. It's not so simple to get a majority, even for Republicans. But I have to say, the four candidates that are being spoken of, if that is in fact the pool the president is to choose from, are outstanding. And by the way, it's transparent. The people have known about these choices for some time. They've been fully vetted. So I don't see any obstacle in the president in any one of these choices getting it past Senate confirmation.
Scott, we've already had the Senator Collins, Susan Collins from Maine, say that she would not vote in favor of confirmation for any nominee who was intending to overturn Roe v. Wade. But what nominee would actually testify that that was their intention? None of them would sit in that chair and tell the committee that's what I intend to do, would they?
Well, I certainly want to tell my friend, hold on, not so fast, Tuffy. You make a good argument, my colleague on the Republican side, but hold on. Listen, this is for the whole marbles. For the Democrats, it comes down to Roe v. Wade and Obamacare. And I got to tell you, what I'm hearing from my Democratic friends is they're going to launch a multi-million-dollar campaign focusing on Alaska as well as Maine, but more importantly, that the gloves are going to come off in these hearings. There won't be any non-answering or questions that don't go to Roe v. Wade or Obamacare. They're going to go directly at them. They want to know what they're feeling. They want to know what they think about those decisions and those laws, because it's far too important, this nomination, because it could reshape the Supreme Court for years to come. And so I think it's going to be a tough hearing for whoever's nominated, but it's going to be a raucous hearing and a rocking hearing, if you will, for that Senate piece.
Couldn't that backfire, though, Scott, on Democrats? For instance, if the nominee were Judge Barrett, then it could be construed as being some kind of anti-Catholic, anti-religious warfare against a nominee who's already been approved to be on a federal bench.
Well, maybe, and maybe the GOP would like to shape it that way. But I think the Democrats on the Senate Judiciary Committee are smart enough and savvy enough to say this is about the law, what you view it, and what's coming your way if you're going to get this nomination or if you're going to get approved. I think it's super important. And remember these two facts, right? The majority of the senators right now support Obamacare and support Roe v. Wade. That's why they're still the law of the land. And so look for the campaign to focus on those swing senators, but also look for more aggressive, targeted questioning by the Senate Judiciary Committee, especially from the Dems.
Brad, but on the other hand, don't the Dems own responsibility? Great op-ed in the Wall Street Journal today about the history of what the stonewalling for appointees during the Bush administration and then removing the filibuster for federal court appointees. Right. I mean, it's all come home to roost for the Democrats. They really can't stop it. They might try to persuade public opinion, but I don't see how they stop it. Do you?
Look, my advice to Democrats is take the $100 or so million that you're going to invest in trying to stop something you can't stop. Give it to the homeless. Give it to charity. Money better spent. But they're not going to stop it. And by the way, before the midterms, we are going to have a new Supreme Court justice. This is not going to upset the midterms. Certainly it's not going to go past the midterms. It's not really going to be a campaign issue for the Democrats, but it will be for the Republicans, because we'll have a new Supreme Court justice under Donald Trump.
Scott,
if the Republicans can get their own act together, it's hard for them to get a majority to pass anything in the Senate. And so my colleague is right about one thing that it will the deed will be done by then. But what impact will it have, and will it be a campaign issue during the midterms, whether the Democrats raise it or the Republicans raise it? In the end, it's going to be about Trump. Are you running to Trump or away from Trump? That's the big question for Republicans. And the Dems, what is their issue, and what are they going to make it about vis-a-vis how this country goes forward with or without Trump?
Scott, I got to cut it off there, but thank you, Scott and Brad. It was good to have you here.